I'm super excited to announce Hyundai's solution for this new era. I proudly present to you our first eVTOL concept vehicles, SA1. It can carry up to 4 passengers with a pilot, and it's ideal for inner city travel, but can also serve rural residents.
That's pretty amazing, Jaewon. Is there a specific area of focus for the SA1?
Yes, we have 4 very important principles. Our vehicles will be safe, quiet, affordable, and passenger-centered. Above all, safety is our primary focus. As an example, you will see that our SA1 has multiple rotors to ensure multi-layer redundancy, and if one fails, the others take the load. It will also have a parachute deployment system for safe landing in an emergency.
Wow. Now, is this urban aviation something that can ever be enjoyed by the masses?
Yes. I already mentioned that UAM will bring democratization of flight. This means that the overall cost to produce and operate UAM vehicles should be really low enough for everyone to enjoy the freedom to fly. We want to collaborate and build strategic partnerships with other key players. To build such a partnership, we've been working with the global leader in this sector, Uber Elevate. Now, I would like to welcome my good friend, Dr. Eric Ellison, head of Uber Elevate, for him to share his thoughts about our shared vision.
Hyundai is Uber Elevate's first vehicle partner with capabilities to manufacture at automotive scale. And we believe Hyundai has the potential to build Uber air taxis at rates not possible in the current aerospace industry. Building on their investments in mass-market all-electric vehicles, Hyundai's manufacturing muscle, combined with Uber's technology platform, presents a giant leap forward for launching air taxis at global scale.